Is Caesar gonna get you?
You want to go down your slide? Go down your slide.
Oh.
You can go down it too.
Ow.
Yeah.
Wow, look at her get up on that.
Oh yeah, she's. Go ahead. You
Don't
can
worry
get
about her falling off of it.
Honey, she's.
Yeah.
You're gonna shut the door now. You're not gonna go down the slide?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go down the slide. Whee! You gotta pick your feet up. Whee!